I don't even know if I started this video. I got the diff welded on the red Miata. I don't know if YouTube, I don't know if I've told YouTube yet, but the red one, this pan, that is gonna be the drift car. Now, probably ask himself, or not, because I don't know, but can you daily drive it? Yeah, I drive it to work, back, blah, blah, blah. Really? Big turns. It just makes a little chirp sound. People be like, drive safer because it's gonna spin out. I haven't drove it hard in the rain yet, but dry and cold concrete this morning on my way to work, I was ripping around corners and it was making chirps, but it wasn't breaking loose. So I'm just gonna do a little circle for you guys so you can hear the chirping. It's kind of fun. So before it was welded, it was an open diff. I tried to spin it, wasn't spinning, wasn't having it. You want to burn out, one wheel was spinning, I wasn't having it. So now it's a welded open diff, and this is what it does. This is what it does. Let's stand back, because I'm not a professional. Don't try this at home. Don't use your parents' car. You're going to fuck it up. The only reason I'm doing this is because I have another one. Insert other clips if it works right, because this dude behind the camera filmed it like this. So when I crop it sideways, if it looks good enough, I'll put it in and you'll see it. But honestly, either way, I'm just gonna put it in.
That's what he said. I am on stock suspension, which you're not supposed to do because there's a lot of body roll, and when you get body roll, it's kind of harder to transition and to actually, I don't know what, like, it's like, I don't know, gain momentum or some shit. Pretty sure it's also a lot more extra strain on the suspension components. Get coilovers or something stiff in the suspension. I wouldn't get as big as wheels as these. I didn't know they were going to be that big. And if you're curious, the specs, that is a 15x9 on 205 50 15 tires. It works. That's why I'm doing that, obviously. I mean, look at all those wheels.
Mm-hmm.
I think this is my first video on my drift series. I don't even know what the tire pressures are at.
Okay, so there's this 11.5-minute clip of me just blabbing about the same shit. So I'm just gonna shorten it and start. I'm gonna start, you know, going to the track and sliding and shit. But before that, there's some things I need to do to the car. And I'm going to be filming that in this drift series, and then no, it's gonna be the drift build series. So once I'm done doing everything that I need to do to prepare it for the track, then I'm gonna start bringing it to the track and doing like on the street stuff as well too, probably. And that'll be the learning how to drift series. Hydrate. So yeah, that's about that. Let me put into perspective. Let me give you an idea of what I'm gonna need for my car, and then break it down for all you. Make it more relatable, I guess, you know, for all you hoes out there. So, pressure. The pressure, high in the back and low in the front. You want to move the back, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Easily. So, and then you're going to want to get coilovers to stiffen the suspension so that it is easier to hit good slides in the back, while the rear tires are high and the front is low. You know what I mean? Relatable? I'd say it's pretty relatable in other, yeah. That's it for like this little side whatever. I'm gonna just put back to the video now.
Stiffen up your suspension and come over here. See that handbrake right there? That is all you need, if you even need it. You don't need one of them fucking hydros right off the bat, because you want to learn how to drive the car, not... I mean, I feel like that's just an easy way, but I don't even use that. It doesn't even work. I have to pull it all the way up just to keep my car. So all the drifting I'm doing in this video, and probably all the drifting for a while, is literally just going to be power and clutch kicking, because I don't feel like fixing that, and I don't really feel like I need a hydro brake. So not sure what my next video is going to be. Probably something about a car, and hopefully something good about a car. Yeah. Welding a diff, it costs like, I got quotes for $50 up to like 200. Don't go the cheapest. Don't go the most expensive. I'd go like right in the middle. That's what I did. $80. This guy out in Othello, fucking, he's a ripper. He's got some nice cars. He's really good at driving. And he's really good at working on cars. He does like fabrication, wiring. I believe he does wiring. And like all of it, I don't know, but I'm just blabbing on. So catch you on the next one, guys. Do.